Hello friends, today I made two beautiful tribal dolls by these plastic containers. I used their caps too, with molded the clay part and some wires I used for the hand and legs. So now here the hole I need. By heating one side of the wire, I have inserted one side to another side like this. Turn it both the containers. Similarly done for legs part. Now here turn for clay. I have used molded. After kneading the dough, I have used this kind of shape using fingers and thumb and inserted to the container for making head part. Now giving the nose impression and eye part and also ears. Now here I have to turn the wires as per the sitting position. So one I have kept it stand by and the other will come by side. Similarly, I have to turn the position of hands. The positioning is complete. Now with the clay, I have to roll it with slightly talcum powder and dry hands for the turban. First I am applying Fevicol and then I will apply on that the rolls of the clay. Slowly and steadily we have to roll it to the turban part, all the clay which I have to cover. Now giving the impression on that with the help of scraper. Now on the legs I have to cover half of the part with clay. Hands too. I have to cover the total wire from side by side. I have to press it and has to lock from sides to the plastic container. Press it and stretch it. Similarly, palm and toes we need to cover. I have made some clay rolls and rolled from the neck part. Clay part has been done. Now I am starting to give a coat of gesso by brush to the complete body of the dolls. Both of the dolls we need to cover with gesso, and then coming the time for the instrument which they will use, which I am making small tabla and covering the clay on the cap. Now turn for the coloring. I have started the acrylic color Indian yellow to cover the upper portion of the musician. Need to use double coat of all the colors which we will use for the covering the total body. Now coming to the face, I am giving black color over it and used the wires also as black color, and applying gold metallic wax on the face to give a rustic image. Now using Fevicol, I am sticking some sequences. Some sequences with dotting tools. For decoration, we can stick anything like I have given it, and see, it is done. How it is, please comment below. Thanks for watching.